How you doing? Your name? Okay, so listen. Get the car out of there.
Okay.
I will adjourn at 4 weeks. Lisa, give me on a date like 4 weeks out.
Not here in 4 weeks, so I can go 2 or 6.
I'll go 6, that's fine.
Okay, October 16th at 8:30.
October 16th at 8:30. Get the car out of there earlier, okay? If you can, please, will you do that? Then they'll dismiss, I'm sure. It'll be good luck. Kelly Ann Ferguson, 19R 511 211 20R 511 787. Ms. Ferguson. Good morning. You're back.
Yes.
Did I give you a lawyer before?
I was on the lawyer, so I don't know the lawyer.
Okay, slow down. Keep your voice up.
Uh,
I arraigned you on this probation violation on August 28th, and I see I adjourned it until September 4th this morning. And then on the other one, I just entered a not guilty plea, and I adjourned this one until September the 4th at 9. Did I give you a lawyer before?
Yes,
Who was your lawyer?
just walked out.
Mr. Baldwin?
Yeah.
Have you talked to him today?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I wouldn't have called it if I'd have known that. Have a seat right there behind you at the table there. John Joseph Boland, file number 25F244668,
I think that one is,
A and B. Who's this, Mr. Baldwin's again?
and then these two, Judge, they're good. You can do those.
I'm sorry. We went back there now. Just have a seat. As soon as he comes in, I'll take care of these, okay?
Yeah.
Did I have this one yet?
No, he's good.
George Ivan Gerganis. 3R 715 Your name, sir.
George, I think you're sir.
You're charged with failure to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up. Placed you on probation.
All right, everyone, buckle up, because today's docket is a whirlwind mix of probation violations, suspended licenses, and one defendant trying to finish a 26-week domestic violence program while juggling a new job. Judge Pope is moving through case after case with that signature blend of firmness and patience, and trust me, some of these defendants push that patience right to the edge. We've got people waiving their right to a lawyer, missing classes, failing to bring paperwork, and struggling with fines they can't afford. But here's the twist. Nothing is as straightforward as it seems, and every single case has a curveball. Let's dive into it.
September 17 of 24. You understand that charge?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, if you're found guilty, you could have your probation. Let me see, I could give you 5 days on that. There's only one violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here this morning?
Yes, I do.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand? Now, you have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to give you one now at public expense if you want one.
No, I'm fine, thank you, sir.
You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
To the charge that you failed to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up, how do you plead?
Plead guilty, sir.
Call in Emily, please. Were you ordered to, and did you fail to complete the domestic violence program with 26-week follow-up?
Yes, sir.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
I'm gonna accept your plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. That plea is accepted. You can have a seat. We'll call a roper and we'll take care of this, okay? John Joseph Boland, 25F244666. I'm sorry, 668 A and B.
Mike Baldwin, House Counsel for this guy.
Your name, sir?
Baldwin,
Does he stand mute, wait formal reading?
on the arraignment, yes, Judge, thank you for.
And now he's going to plead to no ops and speeding 5 over. They're going to dismiss the suspend, correct?
Yes.
If you do that, possible penalties, sir, are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. And then 1 point will be added to your traffic record if you're convicted of the speeding, if you plead to that. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The no ops is 0 points. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes. Yes.
To the charge, no valid operator's license on person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
To the charge of 5 over, how do you plead to that charge? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on West Huron River Drive near James and Flat Rock, August 19 of 25?
Yes, sir.
Did you have a valid license on your person? Are you on probation or parole? Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Plea is accepted, and to the charge of 5 over, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'll accept that plea, accept the plea to no ops, dismiss the suspend. Counsel, he's still suspended. Why is he suspended
Yeah.
here?
Thank you, Judge. He's got paperwork in his hand. I quickly reviewed it. Historically, going back, he got a ticket from an officer years ago regarding a medical condition. He was subsequently evaluated by a mental health expert and found that the medical condition did not exist. He was secured his license again, and then fast forward, he probably picked up a ticket, didn't take care of it. And that's where we're here now. But he does have paperwork in his hands regarding his ability to secure his driving privileges.
Anything you would like to say, sir? 155 on the speeding. On the no ops, 100 fines, 80 costs, 75 victim's rights fee, $50. Justice assessment, 305 or 60 days. So you owe the court 460. Can you pay that today?
How much, Your Honor?
460.
450? No, I can't pay.
How much can you pay today? Where do you work at?
I'm Social Security disability, sir.
All right, you pay $100 now on the speeding. You get a check this month still?
No. Check just came.
You pay the balance on the speeding, which will be $55 by October the 4th. You pay $100 by October the 4th on the no ops. 2. And then 100 per month until paid in full, beginning November the 4th. So you're gonna pay $100 today, and then you're gonna pay 55 plus 100 on the no ops for 155 on the 4th of October or before, and then you have to pay $100 on November 4th, December 4th. I think you'll have a balance of $5, and then
This section is a perfect example of how messy old suspensions can follow someone for years. The lawyer explains that the defendant was once flagged for a medical condition, only to later be cleared by an evaluator. Yet the ripple effect of that old ticket still affects his driving privileges today. Courts often see this. One unpaid fine or unresolved citation snowballs into a suspension, which then becomes a criminal charge if the person keeps driving. Judge Pope asking about payment capacity isn't just about collecting fines, it's about determining whether the defendant can realistically comply, and he breaks the fine down into an installment plan which is more compassionate than many courts. But I'm curious, if someone can't afford court fines, should they still be penalized for driving, or should the system be more flexible?
you can pay that if you want January 4th, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. I want to quickly take Mr. Gerganis, George Ivan Gerganis, 23R7151280. Waived his right to a lawyer. He pled guilty. Excuse me. Your name? Name.
George Gershon.
Still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
What do you think's going on here?
It's not really his fault. The reason I issued this is he's out of time, the 17th. He had got new employment, it conflicted with the classes. PRS has been working with him, but it's kind of been a challenge. He does, as of today, he has 21 of the 26 done. I just think one of his small extension to finish it.
This was taken under 769, Lisa. I'm gonna need another date. Anything you want to say in 2 months? Anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Probation's extended for a period of 2 months until November 17 of 25. That results in additional probation fees of 40, pay costs of 50. So your total's $95. I will give you a new review hearing date. You complete the program. We should be able to do this the end of October, Lisa.
November 1st.
November 1st of 25 at 8:30 in the
Oh, wait.
morning.
I'm sorry, Judge, I looked at the calendar wrong. November 4th.
November
o'clock.
4th at 8:30 will be your review hearing, okay?
Yes, sir.
Can you pay the $90 today or not?
Yeah, it's gonna have to be around 3 o'clock. or-
Just pay by tomorrow. Pay by tomorrow, September 5th, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank
Get that all taken care of. Where did Mr.
This docket was a masterclass in judicial balance. Whether it was a defendant struggling to finish mandated classes, another dealing with the fallout of an old medical suspension, or simple speeding violations, Judge Pope approached each case with structure, clarity, and fairness. He ensured every defendant understood their rights, confirmed each plea was voluntary, and set realistic payment plans instead of issuing crushing penalties. His tone shifted from firm to almost supportive depending on what each moment required, something that separates an efficient judge from an exceptional one. If you found this case as interesting as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Your support helps us bring you deeper insight into the justice system, one hearing at a time.